How to view Caesars Rewards benefits overview on the official site. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. There are different benefits for Caesar Rewards, and the first one is gaming benefit. You'll find special offers for gaming when you play at Caesar Reward casinos. Earn reward credits, turn reward credits into free play, earn and redeem reward credits, and it is according to your tier as well, which is gold, platinum, diamond, diamond plus, diamond elite, and 7 stars. Another is hotel benefit, best available advertised rates on rooms and suites, earn reward credits and tier credits. You also find dining benefits. You will be able to earn reward credits and tier credits when you dine at participating restaurant. You'll also find shopping benefits, earn reward credits and tier credits when you shop at participating retailers, which is another benefit. Entertainment benefit, get exclusive pre-sale access for select shows. You also find exclusive access benefit, which is complimentary valet and sell parking at many destination, priority lines at hotel check-in, restaurant, casino cages, use the VIP reservation hotlines, and likewise you'll find other benefits as well. This is out of view Caesar Reward Benefits overview on the official site. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.